Life cycle discussion cards. What was the author's purpose for writing this book? The author wrote the book Life Cycles to teach the reader about the cycle from birth to death for many different animals and species. I learned that human brains fully develop at age 30. What does the author mean when he writes, "With luck, both the eagle and the person mature, live full lives, and grow old"? The author means that hopefully they will both live a full life, but sometimes accidents can happen and they can die young. This relates to me because my friend was recently killed and he was only 23 years old. He was unable to live the full human life cycle. What is the main idea of the section, Cycles of Life? What are 3 details that support the main idea? The main idea is that everything dies, but the life cycle can continue with babies or offspring, nutrients that come from bodies when they start to decay, and that helps the next forms of life. The details are, it said everything dies, decayed bodies add nutrients to the ground to help things grow, and the life cycle continues when you reproduce. Even when you die, you are adding to the life cycle. What happens after a life cycle has ended? The life cycle doesn't really end. You die, but even when you die, you're helping the next form of life develop. When your body begins to decompose, it adds nutrients to the earth to help other plants and animals live. Plus, if you had offspring, then you helped create their life cycle. How are all the life cycles in the book similar? How are they different? They are all similar because they begin and end, and they include reproduction. They are different because they don't all follow the same cycle. Elephants are adults at age 17, while humans are adults at age 18. Which living thing described in the book has the most complex life cycle? How do you know? The humans have the most complex life cycle because it takes them the longest to mature and become independent compared to all other mammals. The humans are not fully independent until they no longer need their parents for survival.